So over here, you can see that I have a Google form, and then what you can also do is you can get email notifications whenever someone fills out a form. So in order to do that, you can go to the responses section and over here click on the three dot icon right here. And here you can see get email notification for new responses is an option. Once you turn this on, what happens is that you'll get email notifications whenever someone fills out a form. So talking about email, you can also collect out email from respondents. So to do that, you can go to settings. So over here in question, you don't see in any email form right now. But if you were to go to settings, you can see collect email addresses is an option. So as soon as you do that, you can go to question, and here you can see that an email section has been added right here. You can also change the settings right here, and then it goes to settings panel, as you can see, just like this. You can also send respondents a copy of their response, like a response receipt, but over here it says it's off right here. You can go around and turn this to always, so that whenever someone fills out a form, a copy of their of the form responses is sent out to their email. Or if you want to just send out a copy when it is requested by them, then you can select it out to when requested. So once you do this, you can see that this is what you have. You have the example form, this is the email right here. And then if I were to go around onto preview, this is what they would see. So they would have to enter out a valid email address, and validation is done right here. So I'm just going to go around and add in my email address and say yes. And here you can see that they will have an option to send a copy of the response as well. So once that is done, you can click on submit, and then this is what you have. As you can see, it says the response has been recorded now. And that is how you can work around with email address collection and then response receipts to be sent out to a response fillers inside of Google Forms. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.